Good morning. On behalf of QNET, I welcome our esteemed partners, colleagues, and guests.
We stand united in our commitment to empower lives, fostering well-being in Nigeria through the robust partnership with QNET. The Trans-Blue QNET partnership today celebrates a one-year partnership alliance, which has been driven by mainly the local expertise and market knowledge of Trans-Blue.
Okay, then energy medicine is always talking about how to boost your biofield, how to strengthen your biofield so that your immune system will be good. Amezcua is actually a brand that is not a mainstream drug or a mainstream medicine. It is not modern medicine that offers you drugs like pills, medicines and all this stuff. It offers you solution using natural elements.
The biotics performs better in terms of alkaline nature. I showed you the result when you came to my office. I showed you. He didn't know of this. I did that. I said, no, let's also have something that I've done to also let you know that this is what happened.
It'll be like I show you whether your phone is actually emitting safe levels of electromagnetic field or dangerous levels of electromagnetic field.
When we were talking about the BioDix 3, we make sure that with it can prolong the preservation of fruits, right? So in Nigeria, we have issue with food poisoning, where farmers use pesticides to preserve fruits that are dangerous to our health. This BioDix 3, can it help to fight against food poisoning?
You can use the BioDix energized water to wash fruits and vegetables. That can clean up the most of the pesticides, herbicides that are present on fruits and vegetables. And structured water is one of the best cleanser of all of those chemicals, unwanted chemicals that are sprayed on your fruits, vegetables, green leaves and all this stuff. So the best way to do it is you can energize the water first and then drop all your fruits and vegetables into that bowl or pail of water. Leave it for a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off. In that way, you can actually prevent food poisoning and all this.
The category Amezcua, actually wellness range of products where we use natural elements like water, environment, light, and we harness these natural elements using scientific innovative technologies into products.
This is a welcome one, particularly with what QNET has brought to Nigeria today, and serving as a on the scientific advisory board of QNET is quite amazing. And we're going to be working with other members within the group in the US and even in Russia to join hands together to see the efficacy of this product, to test them within the Nigerian people, and working with other stakeholders like the medical doctors and the consultants within our teaching hospitals.
Our greatest challenge to start with was to really disseminate throughout the world and offer our opportunity to the largest number of people possible. And I must admit that although it's been a challenge in the beginning, lately we've really been able to be present in over 120 countries, and we have 25 offices around the world. So we've been very successful in doing that.
You look at our environment today, which is actually surrounded by a lot of electromagnetic fields. For example, we are using today a lot of mobile phones, tablets, iPads, television sets, air conditioners, microwaves. All of these things actually make our environment filled with a lot of different electromagnetic fields where our body has to interact with this environment. And we as human beings have got an organizing field of life that is called biofield. This biofield is actually continuously interacting with our environment, and it gets stressed, especially when there are lots of electromagnetic devices or radiations or fields. That's why Amezcua came up with this innovative solution where you can wear a product called Chi Pendant 4, a pendant that has got a specially designed art technology chip inside, and it is called Amezcua resonance technology. This chip emits natural frequencies, allowing our brain to strengthen our defenses. In a simple language, you become more robust, you will become more strong to defend or to protect yourself against these radiations.